everyone. This is Richard Angelo Woods. We're here in Disney Springs. It's lunchtime, and when you're in Orlando and you come to Disney Springs, you want to check out this place. This is Chicken Guy. Let's check out this joint. I'm here at Chicken Guy. I just got the Chicken Classic. I'm gonna dig right in. That chicken is excellent. It's crispy, it's moist, has great flavor. Thank you so much, Chicken Guy. Choice and fries, these are amazing. And when we come back, we're gonna talk to somebody who had those chicken tenders.
Hello everyone, I'm Star Woods. And if you're like me and you love mint chocolate chip ice cream, you're gonna love trying this. It's the Triple Double Mint Shake.
The Triple Double Mint Shake.
It's the Triple Double Mint Shake at Chicken Guy. Let's try it.
I brought a straw for you.
Aww. Mint delicious. You can taste the chocolate syrup that's on the edges of the cup. There's chocolate mint candies inside and subtle little crunchies courtesy of
Oreo. Would you like to try some whipped cream?
Would I just love whipped cream on top of a milkshake. It's a beautiful day for a triple double mint shake.
What'd you have?
Chicken tenders.
William, how'd you like the chicken tenders?
They were delicious. Every time we come to Miami, every time we come to Orlando, we're from Miami.
Oh, nice.
We stop by here. So it's always a good solid piece of chicken.
So you have the chicken tenders.
And the sauces are great.
Awesome. Well, that was great. Here at Chicken Guy, I got the Chicken Classic, and it was amazing. Thank you so much, Guy Fieri, and thank you, Chicken Guy.
Mint delicious.